For an airline, the ultimate catastrophe isn't a data breach. It's this: a grounded fleet, a complete operational shutdown. In today's hyper-connected world of aviation, this is no longer a hypothetical. It is a clear and present danger. The attack doesn't target the planes, it targets the trust and data that keep them flying. It starts with a single compromised account at a third-party logistics partner, a classic supply chain failure. From there, the attacker moves silently from the less secure partner network into your core operational systems. Their goal isn't a noisy ransomware attack. It's systemic paralysis. They target the nerve center of your airline, flight operations, crew scheduling, maintenance logs. By the time your security team detects the anomalies, thousands of passengers are stranded. Your flight crews are out of position, and the trust you've built with your customers is in a free fall. But what if you could fight this multi-stage systemic attack at machine speed? This is the power of Agentic AI Hyperautomation. Our AI doesn't just send an alert to an already overwhelmed team. It acts. It understands the context of the aviation environment. It detects the subtle signals of a coordinated attack and autonomously contains the threat at its source before a single flight is impacted. This is the new frontier of airline security. It's the assurance that your critical operations are protected by an intelligent defense that understands the difference between a normal query and the prelude to a fleet grounding attack. It is the confidence you need to meet your obligations under NIS 2, when being grounded is not an option. Join us for our aviation resilience briefing and discover how Agentic AI and machine speed cybersecurity can keep you flying safely. Our experts will delve into the latest threats, discuss the NIS 2 directive, and how our cutting-edge AI solutions can support your operations to be compliant and thrive in this new landscape. This briefing is not just a presentation, it's a conversation, a collaborative session where we address your specific challenges and needs. We map out a path to a safer, more resilient airline. We'll examine real-world scenarios, dissect the latest threat intelligence, and discuss best practices for strengthening your cybersecurity posture. And here's the best. This briefing is tailored for professionals like you, the leaders and the change-makers in the aviation industry. We speak your language, understand your pressures, and are committed to your success. So take the first step towards a safer, more secure airline. Trescudo, book a resilience briefing today.